Let's rock and roll.
Hey everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living. About 3 weeks ago, we decided to make some homemade limoncello from our homegrown lemons. I was going to say tomatoes. From our homegrown lemons. And this is the week that we decided to strain them and add some simple syrup and make the actual limoncello. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay. It's a pretty simple process, so we'll see ya at the end game. Just wanted you to see how pretty this was before they all get drained out. And then we're going to go ahead and start our simple syrup. We ended up with just over 6 cups, almost 7 cups actually, of the limoncello. So, simple syrup is very simple, which is why they call it that. We're going to go ahead and put in 4 cups of cold filtered water and an equal amount of sugar. Doesn't that sound crazy? And we're going to go ahead and stir it together and bring it up over a low heat. I'm going to put it on 6 on my electric stove and keep an eye on it. So when you mix your sugar in your water, you want all of that sugar to dissolve so that it'll be a clear mixture. After you get this all mixed together and it warms up, and once it's clear, we will put it in the fridge to cool down. Sorry about the noise in the background. We're canning potatoes, we've made our weekly bread. I'm telling you what, it's a busy day in the Big Valley today. We're starting to clear up pretty nicely. It's been about 5 minutes. I turned it up to 8 on my electric stove and I'm just standing right over it because the last thing that we want is for this to turn into caramel. Well, I mean, you know, that would be good too, but not today. All right, it just started doing that and I am going to now give it one more quick stir and pull it off the heat, let it cool down to room temperature, and then we will start decanting. Okay, now we are going to put the lemon infusion into a jar. This is actually going to be into the freezer overnight. Oh, I'm glad I put that down. Okay, I'm going to do 2 cups of that infusion. Look at how beautiful and bright yellow that is. And it smells, oh my God, it's like the best lemon extract ever. And then I'm going to take my simple syrup that's been cooled down to room temperature. This is just a little cooler. And I'm going to go just above that 3 cup mark. Let's go a little higher. We're gonna go. So I made a 50-50 mixture here because we want to have the sweetness and everything, and we don't want it to be so overpowering with the alcohol that we can't just enjoy it a little bit. So I'm going to stir this up with a bamboo chopstick. I'm going to go get a clean one though because I just used this for debubbling potatoes. And we're going to shake it up and put it in the freezer and see what we get in a few hours. Pretty simple process. So right now we have just shy of 4 quarts of completely mixed limoncello in the freezer. We're going to let it go for, well, we're going to let it go until tomorrow night. And then we're going to test it again. But we really wanted to see how it tasted tonight so that we could go ahead and let you see it. It smells really good, don't you think?
Let me see.
Let's do cheers. Let's do cheers. Oh yeah, it smells very lemony and fresh.
It's a little lemony. I can't smell for a darn thing.
So, on behalf of Big Valley Living, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out while we went to part 2 of limoncello. To get this really cool, just so you know, I just threw it into one of those martini mixer things with some ice, just so that it was nice and chilled, because I don't really want to drink this at room temperature. Limoncello will keep in your refrigerator for at least 1 month sealed, and up to a year or more if you decide to freeze it. We're going to decant some of these into smaller, adorable little containers and probably give some to friends and family for the holidays.
So how much did you get? How much did you get from that thing that you made? Like a gallon?
Yeah, close to it. Just under a gallon, actually, by the time we added the simple syrup and everything. And you can adjust it up or down to the sweetness you want. But thank you for visiting Big Valley Living.
Parties at our house, apparently.
Oh, that's funny. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drink responsibly, please.
See you later,
Let's try
everybody.
it. Let's try it.
That
Smells
dang.
so good. Woo! That's all you need. That'll light up your day.
No, not too bad. Tastes really good. Give it a go. You don't necessarily have to make a gallon of it. That's up to you.
Makes a great gift.
It does. It definitely does. So,
See you later, everybody. Be kind.
no, you be kind.